Welcome to the
Jaya
and Amy show.
Yay!
That's us. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna talk about
Hawaii.
Yes. How that's in how many days?
5 days.
5 days. It's Friday. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yeah. So what are you gonna be?
I haven't decided yet. I think I'm gonna be a cop or an Egyptian. One of those two. I haven't decided yet. What are you gonna be?
It sounds pretty cool. I think I'm gonna be Marie Antoinette.
Oh, I wish I like that costume. It's really pretty. I want to be that one day.
Thank you. You can borrow one day.
I will. I need to.
Yeah. So last night we went to a Halloween festival.
Oh yeah, the one at Town Square Park. That was pretty fun. It was me, Yvette, and then we met this one girl that like goes to Warm Springs or whatever, and then it was Jaya and her boyfriend Rome, of course. Yeah.
I knew, don't forget.
And Simba, sorry, Simba went, and
There was a haunted house there. It's pretty cool.
yeah, I was like, we went in, and then we went as a group, and all of a sudden I was by myself. They left
Because
me.
she was walking too fast, and there's a lot of people there. So. And then the clown guy stopped me and made me touch the other man who scared the crap out of me.
Uh-oh.
Cool.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Mary's dead.
Oh.